King Lord, I pray.
They are not talent to overload. They are upon an interview settings, you see it?
See it.
Riverside with there, you know a thing come down.
Yeah, my father. So here we go, and you know that thing I said already, you know, we have like 10 questions, you see me? Just to kick off things and kind of, you see me? So we just ask the 10 of them, you don't have to stress about them, just yes or no, or, you see me? Yeah. So here me ask the first question, Instagram or TikTok?
TikTok.
TikTok, alright. Action movie or horror movie?
Action movie.
Action, alright, my father. Where did you have your best experience? High school or primary school?
Primary school.
Primary school, alright. Stark Ashley or Mayan?
Star. Yo, me not refuse. No, that ain't me no.
No, you have to choose one.
Yeah, no, Star. We'll go with Mayan.
Mayan, alright, nothing wrong. Free education or free healthcare?
Free education.
Education, alright, bro. Strip club or beach?
Them know they are a strip club, you know. I know the thing.
Alright, my father. Number 7. Would you rather be bitten by a snake or a 40 leg?
What Star? Yo, me know a 40 leg bite, you know, so me continue to take a one day, you know. Yeah, take a snake bite.
Alright, my father. What would you do if you were invisible for one day?
I go up on a money move still. I don't know.
Alright. Nothing wrong. Chanel Mirror or Tifa?
Oh, Tifa.
Tifa.
Hold on there. I think you say Steph London. Hold on there. Tifa. So we go for Chanel Mirror.
Chanel Mirror.
Yeah.
Alright, my father. Number 10. Would you rather have $1 million in your bank account with no friends or family, or $100 in your bank account with good friends and family?
Yeah, $100 alright with good friends and family. You see?
That is it, man.
Oh, joke.
Yes, bro. King Lord. Very, very unique name, bro. Where you get that name there from?
You know, say, I people them give me that name there still.
See you.
Yeah, I never me choose it myself still. But it come from a far time still, so I just a transition, you know.
Yeah.
They usually call me King Country first, and then, you know, some conversation you may have with some people because they see how real we is, and how when time we talk to them, the conversation is real and understandable. They must say, yo, you know, say a King Lorde thing for them.
See you.
Real. So from that time, you know, we are chat that name and just build into the image and the personality, and that's how they from that, you see.
So I don't really know following or not like
no, so
worshippers and them.
And I know me give myself that name, man.
No.
Because for a man to call himself King and Lord, you know, a too powerful person that name. You see me, so we have to just do the right thing as them two entity there in a one person, you see?
See you.
Yeah,
see you.
that is it.
Alright, so right now we are go back several years in time, see?
Yeah.
Where we see you drop a song named Don't Talk Certain Things.
Yeah.
See me? I rate that song there, bro.
No joke.
And just to quote the first one of the lines, my granny said, who keep it his mouth, keep it his life, right?
Yeah.
Real hardcore Jamaican lyrics, bro. Why did I miss at the time when you were writing this song? What did happen?
Whole heap of me see whole heap of people dead for things where they know, like, and things where they talk about and things where they say, you see it? So at the time when they in America and we see whole heap of violence going on in Jamaica, and that was the core part of the violence them. You see me, inform of the dead and this and that, and you see me, so we are say, yo, you want no man, you better if you just see and hear and blind and deaf, is it?
See you. No. So that was just it then?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I tell you, bro, bad song, you see me?
For real, man.
Yeah,
that's
man.
why I tell them, say, no talk certain things, try lock your mouth before your 32 teeth get licked out, you see? Sure.
See that? Yeah, bro, that is it. How did you get started in music, or what inspired you to start music?
Music forward to me at a lonely time, you know. You see me, a music introduce himself to me, and never me introduce himself to the music. Music forward to me at a lonely time and time. We go America and we don't have no family, no friends around, I just me, you see it?
See.
And I want a way of here express myself, somewhere with it. All heap of things when they go through, so we need somewhere where we can express ourselves and you see me just chat out with pain and sorrow and music say, yo, see me, do it yourself.
Yeah,
you see it
yeah,
and everything alright. You see me, and from me start deal with the music, brother, me I tell you, it's like me comfortable. If me not have a friend around or nobody is like music did it for me, you see?
See. So you don't say in your words, it wouldn't be a form of therapy or something to release the stress or something like that.
Yeah, definitely. You see me? And a friend in need when you need it.
That is it, bro. Cause me look on a couple of videos and me notice say, yo, them never really shot out here. Me say them shot over there. So you are someone who is traveled and would be open to traveling to doing shows abroad and so forth.
Yeah, we do whole heap of shows abroad with whole heap of artists, man. Name them, we do shows with them, man. You see me? And we not really open to do shows abroad right now because they say we do a lot of shows abroad and the people them a look for see we come back abroad and do things on a wider scale.
Yeah,
you see me? So we there Jamaica now to get the exposure and get the highlight. So that means when time we touch back America, you see it? The bookings price rise. The thing up more, you see me? So we not look for touch back this stuff right now because we want to put in the groundwork first. You see me? 14 years of work me I put in over this. Me known in America more than me known in Jamaica. So more I love for people them just subscribe to King Lorde music.
Bro.
Check out my thing, you see? Like, bro. Share and all of them things, man. You see?
We are getting the craft, bro. Cause I don't feel like so we not see it, bro. You see me?
No joke.
We are getting the craft, man. But first of all, how supportive do you find family and friends, bro? Like towards your music or towards everything that you do in general?
If me say they don't support me, I would be ungrateful. You see me I say? Because they support in every way. Even when time them bad mind they support the same way. You see what me I say? So I'm grateful for everybody. You see it? Friends and family will do the right thing and who want to do the wrong thing same way. You see me? So him say any type of exposure is exposure, good or bad. So you see it? Just do nothing, man. King Lorde they have to correct you if you're wrong. And we there do it right.
So tell me now, you mentioned that you went, when you went to foreign, was it like working or you just go vacation or what? Was it living or what?
Oh yeah, we go over there as a little youth, you know.
Seeing.
And
then in that case, if not music, what would you be doing?
John, you know, so I not even know when. Back then or now.
It don't matter, bro. Like, but it don't really matter, man.
Back then if I know music, you probably would have do automotive engineer or something like that. You see me? But right now we have whole heap of entrepreneurship, man. We can't do anything otherwise than music, man. But right now I just say music are the main focus.
Yes.
You see.
Alright, father. Cause I want to say if like I say automotive, I want to say my car broke down, I can't call link for
well, you can't come link me right now, you know, because music, me saying there, that for wait till them dash me out of music industry, like them do some of my artists, them. But we not look for that happen no time soon, because King Lorde a bad artist, you know, so.
That is it, man, because if we never see talent over there, so you see me?
No joke, man, a talent overload, you know, if my talent never overload, you couldn't be right, so. That is it.
Seeing. Alright, so we talk about the first track that don't talk certain things, Zine. So we are forward, couple years forward now, Zine. And we see your drop songs like Give Thanks, Push Badness, My Style, and plenty more. You see me? We see a whole heap of songs out there, bro.
Yeah.
And we see you work and put in same way, because we see you be consistent. Same way, you see me? But we want to talk about now a chopper life. You see me?
Yeah.
So, yo, in a chopper life, me see like, alright, when you start out, the first don't talk certain things, you kind of hardcore Jamaican, bro, like direct reggae. But in a chopper life, me see you kind of transform, bro, like you got different, bro, like some like more melody, you see me? And you go on different style on them, bro. What happened there, so? Why it changed, bro? What was the process?
It changed never easy, you know.
See,
but it happened. Zine because he say the places change. So that's why it change was kinda that's why you see that the style, basically, isn't it? Because no, the other video them we talk about before and music them, we do them the America. Chopper Life was my first music video on the ground. You see me? And from a reach on the ground and experience life. Deep from this angle. We couldn't do nothing more than drop a Chopper Life. So I saw come Chopper Life come about, you see, it's a different lifestyle, isn't it? Yeah.
Cause I kinda noticed that bro, cause it's like you change with the time, you see me?
Yeah man, like Green Lizard man, you change with the ground man.
Cause when I rate the artist still, bro, I don't really want to see a man stuck in a one box, bro. I don't really like see people like put somebody in a one box, you see me? So the transformation what you make right there, so kind of shows say yo, you're versatile as an artist in my eyes still, you see me?
Really?
So rate that, bro, and why you continue that same way. So if you have to switch back to our next thing tomorrow, you can definitely do that, you see me?
No joke.
But what you think about other genres of music though, in terms of hip hop and
we do all type of genre of music still. We have a whole heap of collabs out there with Portugal artists, African artists, Spanish artists, all type of artists. So we listen to all type genre of music and we support all genre same way. You see me, and collab with whole heap of artists them same way. So yeah man. So
we can expect works to come up in the near future.
Expect whole heap of work. We not even start putting no groundwork yet. Like that, you see me?
Yeah.
Right now, I just management I go and push out the work right now and make it thing happen. You see me I say? And all of my years them and me alone really I deal with the music, like I manage myself and them thing there. So right now we say it's a lot of work for one man to do. So we kinda just take it to a real level of how it's supposed to be and make sure say we have management to deal with the thing properly and you see me?
Yeah bro.
Get to work them out.
Yeah man, that is it man. Tribute to all mothers, bro. Talk to me about that one now. Very, very powerful song, bro. You see me? Yeah. It's a song when I feel like more than play for Mother's Day. At least any day for my mother. I can play it in my house. I can play that song in a church, bro. I can play it anyway. Elders can listen to it, you see me?
Yeah.
That song there, is it inspired by your love for your mother or just what you see around you in terms of mothers overall?
Yeah man, I love for my mother really inspired a song there man. I love every mother same way. But my mother love different. You see, pray, and my mother always be there for me and always there for me same way. So me feel like say, if me I do music, at least, you know, I have to do a song tribute to my mother. And that song there, you know, I want to tell you say 6 years me I made that song there before me actually record it and put it out. A year, almost couple months ago. You see me, last Mother's Day we gone. And Mother's Day fall upon my birthday last May. So I decide say, I have to drop that mother song here. See my mother, upon my birthday, for Mother's Day. So, yeah man, that song there man.
Yo, I rate that song there bro, you see me?
Alright man.
I'm out of mind, we get a video for your song there bro, you see me?
No joke, no joke.
Yeah man, you see it? That song there powerful brother. What are your thoughts on clashes in dancehall? Do you think clashes are effective?
Yeah, a clash bring me in our music, you know. A clash bring me in our music even though a lot of people don't really know that. But a clash bring me in our music and remember when me usually go school and you see me? We usually clash in our cafeteria every day.
See.
When time at lunchtime me and my friend them get together and a clash and you see me? So that man. Clash
so if a man say Ford Lorde, right? King if a man say King Lorde right now, I'm ready. What you say?
Ready man.
Ready.
Active. Fully.
Alright. That is it man, you see me?
Remember say we there have to make your name in a man.
What you mean?
Anything we have to do for you know?
Yeah.
We get it out there man.
Alright.
Just deal with it.
Alright. Cause me have a couple of artists when I show them I song them still, you know, and they say yo, they want to collab. Or if you feel like say you want to step, nothing wrong, what you say?
How them say I know what me say. Cause they don't know me and hear about me and then discuss about me, so them to make up their mind and know what they want to do, you know. You see, pray?
No problem, father man.
Cause I don't know them.
That is it man. Alright, hear me ask now, how about your kids? Would you like to see your kids doing music?
Yeah man, definitely.
That is it bro. And
uplifting music, inspiring music.
See. And is there any artist out there now where you see you don't do a collab with?
Yeah.
You know, if you list on name still, but you know, dancehall or hip hop, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I would have collab with couple of artists same way, you know?
Seeing.
Yeah, I would have collab with Burna Boy.
Seeing.
Yeah.
That is it, bro. That is it. Yeah, man. So hear me I say now, my father, I want to say, yo, respect enough, give you the opportunity to chat with you for a while, you see me? We are telling us we've been and see it. We do research and we see your work you do and want you continue the work. So I'm the one.
No joke, man. Talent overload, man.
Yeah, man. Because we are believer in a bro. So you see, if you're not a believer, it really make no sense, you see me? I feel willing, my father, you hear?
Fully believe, man. And we out here and do it, man. Like we say, I know just today, you know.
Yeah,
you
bro.
See me? Because right now, I'm comfortable to do this a whole heap of interview we shot same way. So, we glad say talent overload there, so. We shot this today.
True.
You see me?
True.
And we want to know say when time this reach out there, people them just subscribe to King Lorde music. You see it? And go and push it things same way. Whole heap of work. All now me no start drop no music video yet, you know. And that we now wait for sick. We have whole heap more song than music video. So
True.
You just go and tune in, man, and subscribe, man, and as then drop when I see them, man. You see it?
Man. Alright, King Lorde, tell the people them they can find up on the media, all platform.
You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Google. And if you want to find me everywhere, just Google King Lorde.
See you.
And you want to find me on all platforms. And then I have to run up and down and a thing.
See
Is it YouTube, Audio Mac, Spotify, YouTube. You all of them, man. You know what I think.
And you know, say at that time I did know.
You see it?
Freestyle, you know.
You know what I think.
What you say?
We can't sit down and freestyle, man. Tell a boy say no talk certain things. Try lock your mouth before your whole 32 teeth get lick out. Try lock off certain things. Inform of the bout. And me no want hear say them end up in a court. Better park certain things. You know say it hot. This overload we a go shell down the spot feds and mark certain things. Believe it or not. Careless we get your eye lock. Hey, the pillar talk things say enough man a prison. Tell them girl some things that should remain hidden. Talk like when rain a drizzle. But gangster, poor little kitten. Hey. Rule number 1, not chat your business at home. Your girl too inquisitive, leave her alone. Member glass house no like see big stone. The big dog them will name your bone. My youth not talk certain things. Try lock your mouth. I mean say choppy line. Where the fuck them know about chopper life? If you not make money, dog tapping eyes. Big money make girl buggy fly. Overload. Choppy line. Girl want wine pa we cocky pint. We a hunt for the money and he have to find. Where the fuck them know about talent overload? Choppy line every day, dog. Big money make y'all gravitate fast. Tell me she can't make another day pass. One check King Lorde for him.
That is it.
Hear me a say no man a the voice of King Lorde and we are represent for talent overload. Hear me a say no man talent overload. We never go overboard. Like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the thing go. King Lorde representing.